Hello. What's today? Today is February the 21st, 2014. And Logan turned 7 months on Monday. 17. He doesn't want to be on camera today. What's new, Lo? Spit up. What's new? What's new? Logan's been trying to stand up against everything. He's a busybody. See? Okay. Say hi. Say hi. He started standing up against everything on the 20th of January. And he started crawling on the 15th. And he started crawling on the 15th of this month. So yeah, he was a few days shy of being 6 months. And that's my big boy. That's the major things you've been doing. You've been crawling everywhere and standing up against everything, which turned him into a little daredevil because he won't keep still. And he flips over on his chair because he wants to be all on there like it's a trampoline and stuff. What's he been doing? Just been practicing those skills. In love with this cartoon still, probably more than before. Let's see. We went to the doctor, I want to say maybe a week after he turned 6 months, and he was 15 pounds, like 2 ounces, and he was 27 inches, so that was like a month ago, so hopefully he's about 16 pounds right now, and 27 inches are a little over. For his age, he's like at 5 to 10 percentile in his weight. So he's a tiny baby, but he's average in terms of height. His sleeping has been kind of crazy. He's been having some crazy sleep. Like last night, he's whining. He's been whining some nights. So I have to go in there and put his pacifier back in his mouth. And he wakes up around 3-ish and doesn't really want to sleep. So I put him on with me and put him on my chest and go right back to sleep. I'm thinking the tooth is coming soon. He's really been fussy during the day. It's just at night. He's a little uncomfortable. He's been putting his thumb in his mouth like this. Ew! Ew! You just hit me with your spitty thumb. Oh, it's a bad time. It's a bad time, baby. Okay, let's hurry up, okay? And then we'll be done. That little thumb. Ew! Again? And a few games that we've been practicing is patty cake, Baker's Man. Roll 'em up, put it in the pan. Let's do it again. Patty cake, Baker's Man. Roll 'em up, put it in the pan. So whenever I start doing that, he looks. And whenever I start doing patty cake, peekaboo, he looks. And then he'll move my hand from my face and do it. Look. Peekaboo, where's mommy? you go. Peekaboo. Yeah. What else? Baby? I'm gonna wrap it up. We talked about your new achievements and your sleep and eating. He's still drinking. Well, he drinks 6 ounces now. 6 ounces every 3 hours or so. And as far as solids, I just fed him some macaroni. I blended it up a little bit, so it wasn't whole in single tiny pieces. But he's not really eating solids regularly. And puree really, maybe an ounce or so, but nothing too much. So still, milk is his main food. We are going to Louisiana in about 10 days. Because my brother's getting married and my sister's going to be going to the Navy and we're going to see family. So that should be fun. And it'll be the first time since he was 2 months. He gets to see his grandma and the rest of his family. So that'll be different. Look at that cute little baby. Look at that cute little baby. That little cute pussy baby. Show my feet. That's my feet. Look. Okay. What else, baby? Let's start it, guys. We're gonna go. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Loki baby. Say bye-bye, sweetheart. Stolen. Stolen everyone. Okay, see y'all next month. Okay.